Here I've got XIAOMI Black Shark free, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and here you will notice ringtone. Just mark it, and let's start with me. Then you've got me jazz, me electronic, but if you would like to explore it more, just click on all ringtones. And here I will show you all ringtones that you can apply on this Black Shark free. Let's start with acoustic guitar. Then you can also choose one from the alarm sounds or notifications, it's up to you. I will show you a few of them. So for example, free from notifications. And from the alarms. But I will definitely stay with one from the official ringtones, and it can be Glee. And that's it. Then just go back, and as you can see, it has been already changed to Glee. So this is it. This is how you can change ringtone on your device in your Black Shark free. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.